Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys why do you want to start trading in the stock market. So why do you want to start trading? So ask that question from yourself. What are the reasons that you are want to start trading in the stock market? When I first heard about the stock market and I was starting to learn about the stock market, I see it as that this was the most that this was a business that requires the least amount of capital, the least amount of money to start. So I started this trading in the stock market, and now I'm earning a decent amount of money right now. I may be learning right now, but maybe I haven't earned that much. Maybe I haven't made that much profit, so I'm still learning and growing while I'm trading. So that is why I've also learned a lot from the stock market. I learned the risk to reward ratio, risk margin, the take profits, and how to calculate take profits, how to calculate your risk margin. I've learned all of that stuff from the stock market, and it made me much more profitable. While now the things that I've learned from the stock market, I can apply it on I can apply it in my own business. If I start any business, I can apply in that as well and make profit out of it. So it made me much more profitable while trading in the stock market. So now let's get to the point that why do you want to start trading in the stock market? Is it because that you're tired of your 9 to 5 job? Is it because you're tired of this life, tired of something else, or is it because that you want to start a side hustle? So these are some of the reasons that you'll have to note down your reasons, your purpose. Why do you want to start trading in the stock market? Now, as I'm trading in the stock market, I may face losses, I may not make that much, but in the future, I know that I am going to make a ton of profit out of the stock market. So let me so let's see what happens next. As this channel goes on, I'm going to share with you my journey of the stock market, of how I make a lot of money. Now currently I haven't made that much money. My losses are much and profits are low. So it's not that it's not like that I sell the stock on a loss. I hold that stock and sell that stock on a profit, but the stock price, at the price at which I buy, the stock price decrease in value and then goes up. So things like these happen. And now now let me show you. Now, is it because that I'm trading in the stock market? It was my passion to learn that, to get involved in stuff that requires a hard time to note, a hard time to investigate, a hard, like they require technical analysis and stuff like that, to recognize different moves at different points. Now my favorite subject was mathematics. So because of that concept, because of that theories, that the way you find out where to apply a certain formula. So it's like doing the maths. So it's not like doing the maths, it is maths. It is maths. So if you apply the right strategy at the right time, you will be much more profitable in this. Now at certain areas you can see this might scare you, but I bought the stock at this area. The stock price decreases in value again, up trade for a while like this, and now right here it is trading right here. So it is now at loss, but I'm not going to sell it. I'm still holding the stock, and let's see what happens next, as I held the stock throughout. Now there are many stocks in the stock market that you can choose. There might be many reasons that you want to start trading in the stock market, but you'll have to choose. Out of those, you'll have to choose one. So what will be that one reason that you're trading in the stock market? What is that one reason that you want to trade in the stock market, and choose that and see what happens. Choose that reason and have a plan. Follow that. Have a plan that you will trade in this manner, in this order, and also trade according to that plan. So if you're when you're trading according to that plan, you'll be much more profitable, because all of your things would be on track and you'll know where you are going. While trading in the stock market, you will also learn much many new things, many new things from the stock market, relating to business stuff. So when you're trading in the stock market, apply risk to reward ratio, use risk to reward ratio, use the risk margin, the take profits, and all of that stuff, and see how well you are trading in the stock market, how well results it will give you. So the stock market isn't a bad thing. So start trading in the stock market and see how what results it will give you in the long run, and what results it will give you in the short run, also what results it will give you while you're day trading. So sorry. So the stock market is much more profitable, and you will see how much profit it will give you. So stick to it and trade accordingly. Do not listen to anyone that that person lost his money, that person lost money. Focus on the things that's going to make you happy in focus on those things that will make you profitable. Focus. Do not lose your focus, and trade stocks carefully and wisely, and do not hesitate, do not control your fears. That's what I would say right here. Control your fears. Be patient about your investment, because the stock market, its investment takes time to grow. So, and when it grows, it will grow huge. So that is the benefit of trading in the stock market, trading stocks, that it requires patience. This is a business that only requires your patience. If you're patient about the stock market, you're going to make much more out of the stock market. If you're not patient about it, you're just doing here and then. So then that's not the point. Like, the biggest risk in the stock market is that when you're not in the market, when you're not trading in the stock market. So that is the most biggest risk that you're going to ever take. So try to avoid that mistake, and stay try to trade the stocks, try to be in the market as much as possible, because the stock market is all about trading. It's a learnable experience. So trade stocks, learn new things from the stock market, and you're going to make you'll be much more successful while trading in the stock market. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.